guys, this is Chuck with B4. Hey, today we're going to do things a little bit different. What I'm showing here is our B4 algo. It's with one of our add-on indicators. It's the B4 algo show you. It's an advanced Ichimoku indicator that we built here at B4 to help us with our forecasting. You can see the show you dots there on the screen. Those are a forecast of the Ichimoku lines. Basically, when those lines are facing up, you can expect price to move up. When those lines are facing down, just the inverse. Also, you can anticipate TK crosses and Kumo twist. We use those lines throughout our trading. What we're doing here is we're looking at this, and today we anticipated a large drop in the market because of the show you lines. Because of that and a few other factors, we went ahead and loaded the wagon and got large in this trade. And so what we're going to do now is a demonstration, a step-by-step of what we were seeing with the Ichimoku show you, with the B4 algo, and how that corresponded with our B4 CoPilot trade execution. Watch as we go step-by-step throughout the trade process here. We'll go back and forth between what we were seeing with the show you and algo and what transpired on the tape. Alright, we got algo loaded large, and we got it here in both. So we'll take contrarian and confirmed signals. That's a confirmed signal right there. And we took that in with 8 contracts. Guys, as a disclaimer, this is sped up and recorded in post. This is just a demonstration of how to anticipate a large move and load your trade accordingly. Alright, what we're looking at right there is those show you lines are still facing down. We have our brackets down there. There we go. It came down right to our brackets, and we got our scenario sell. This trade is progressing nicely here. You see that our momentum bars are firing and our confirmed entry signals are firing there with CoPilot. So we're about ready to start pulling our stop down here in a little bit. Basic strategy is to pull your stop down behind your stack and balances. Those rectangles that you see on your chart there on the screen, those are stacked and balances. Typically that's where the major sellers are in this instance, and so we go down and we guard behind the institution. So you see I pulled my stop there, left plenty of room, had a whale trade signal come in there, that red dot that you see there, and man, we're still printing heavy here. This is working out good. We're already ahead in this trade, so we can pull down and guard there. Go ahead and pull our targets down. Don't want to get caught up, and we want to basically capitalize on the gains. Alright, you can see there that we are pretty extended there with the show you lines. Tinkins and Keachin far away from each other. We've already reached our short target. It's time to look at taking profits. We got our auto strategy set right there with our stops, and it's pulling the auto strategy stop loss down, and you see them paired there. I'm going to leave them there for a moment. Maybe I'll pull one down. Let's see how this progresses. Alright, you can notice our show you lines are facing down right there, but we're getting a tail. We're already at our short target 1, and you notice that some of our show you lines are going flat. Our Keachin's is going flat, and our Cinco span A is scheduled to go flat. With them far apart like that, you can expect to get a pullback. So that's what we're seeing. We're pulling our stops down, anticipating a pullback, looking to maximize on our profit potential. Not going to stop it out, though. We're going to go ahead and pull those targets down just in case. We'll pull this on down. Trade is working out very well here. Stacked and balance is firing. We know that we can pull down and guard behind there. Now we have a contrarian signal that fired that magenta signal that you see there, that arrow. That means we're probably going into a pullback right here. So I'm going to give it enough room. Guard behind that stacked and balance right there. We're well into profit here. Guys, while we're waiting for this to play out, just want to remind you, when you sign up for the CoPilot package, you also get the B4 algo with it. One thing to remember, the B4 algo show you, that is a separate add-on indicator that comes separate. It's not included in the package. Guys, this is an incredible setup here, and it worked out very well. We enjoyed this in the room Friday. It was a great trade. Hey, look, just want to thank you for taking the time watching here today, and please be sure to like and subscribe. We appreciate it very much. Guys, let's see how this is going to transpire here. If it can push down here, it will continue. If not, I'm going to go ahead and maybe pull down here. Pull the stop down just a little. Love our auto trend lines right there. Our auto trend line pulled into place right there. Perfect place to put your exit. Works out very well. All right, guys, there we are. We're out of the trade. $6,416. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you very much.